Hi, welcome to Lalas World. Today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing for beginners in 2020. What made money and what didn't? I'm going to be showing examples of what worked and what didn't for me fairly quickly in a timeline of 1 month as a beginner. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. I'll be doing a follow-up video on the methods used in this video to make money. First, what is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and make a commission when either the item you are promoting sells, or in some cases when the website link you're using to promote someone else's product is clicked on. The amount and type of commission structure you have depends on the affiliate marketing site you sign up to. How much I made in a month as a beginner? Okay. So far, I've made $38.96 after trying multiple things. I tried with the website and without. The thing that worked for me quickest and I actually got money out of was without. I do think that for the long haul, once I get my website to rank higher, I can make a profit. Once this happens, I'll do an updated video, so stay tuned for that. Companies you can use for affiliate marketing: Shareasale, Hostgator, Clickbank, if you're looking to do affiliate marketing without a website. Now, everyone has their own method, and this is just my personal experience as a beginner. What I did was make a Facebook page, build it up, and promote my links to my audience. I used a topic that was popular and did advertising for the target group just to get it started. I made posts every day, and as a result, I did get clicks, and I made some sales too, but again, this is pay-per-click. How to do affiliate marketing, my method. The first step I do is to go to Shopstyle and find a retailer that sells items I can promote to my Facebook page group. I want to use Amazon, so I'll look and search for that particular store. You can see if anything is here that you want to promote, or you can go directly to the store. Since I don't see anything Baby Yoda related here, I'll go directly to the online store and make my own link. Okay, so I'm on Amazon and I've already typed in Baby Yoda. I'm going to promote this item, so I'm just going to click the item, copy the link, and paste it back into the Shopstyle Create a Text Link area. Going to copy it and then paste it on Facebook page scheduled post area. I create a post by pasting the link. After the link is fetched, I erase the link and type in the post area. I'm going to say Baby Yoda animatronic. Then I'll click schedule post and I'll schedule it for a future date. I'm going to pick the 16th and change this to 6:40. And next I'm going to post a meme for that same day at slightly a later time. Then I refresh the page, and just to make sure it went through, and it did. Now, the reason I do memes and promotions is because I don't want to spam with just ad promotions or my affiliate links, and I want to continue to grow the page. And memes tend to get more shares, and it helps my overall page engagement and helps me to grow. What didn't work in 1 month for me? Looking at the analytics to see what made money and what didn't, as you can see, I have a blog, but so far it isn't doing as well as the Facebook page. I think that if I had more time to rank my pages using SEO, it will make a profit. Also, I have Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and YouTube. I got one Pinterest view in this time frame, so ultimately in 1 month's time frame you can see the blog and other social media forums didn't work as well for me. I'm not saying if I don't give it time it won't work, but during the time frame of 1 month, it didn't work for me as well as the Facebook page. Well, Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Also, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.